Bangladesh is beautiful. It's so beautiful. I just feel like maybe I gotta go out more and see things more, see places, and you know, interact with as many people as I possibly can, and bargain with as many people as possibly can, because that's pretty, I mean, I like the art of bargaining, but sometimes it can get very hectic and exhausting too. Like, oh, you're gonna give me this price, if not I'm gonna go to someone else. You go to someone else, especially on a hot and humid day, it gets kind of exhausting. I think in the, like, when it's cool, it's nice. Like when it's winter time, it might be okay, but when it's hot summer heat, you really don't want to be out in the open heat and start bargaining, man. It's just not fun. Yeah, I honk a lot. So what? I'd rather not kill somebody or hurt somebody. Yeah, so the accident that happened with me and that little boy, it happened on this road right here somewhere. Yeah, it happened here somewhere. Actually no, a little past here.